Hi, I'm Michael Collett, and this is my Mod 17 for AEP 858 data protocol. The data protocol I used was a simple, basic protocol to just show my staff, my teachers, the basics of data and how to use it. Also, what questions to look at while analyzing data, and then also a protocol for collaborative discussion as we're looking at some outcomes that we want, some data that we're looking at. I chose to do it like this to I kind of pulled from our CFIP and just some other documents that we've had over the course of this class. And the reason I did that was we don't have any data system really in place at our district. We're a very small district, and the data, we don't have any data teams that meet to discuss really anything, and all the data we do use is probably just individual teachers using data to inform and to move with teacher instruction. So to implement this in our district, it would take a total culture shift, and which would be great. So this protocol here would help us to take those steps in towards that protocol, or towards that culture shift. So this would be used with and this would be given out to all the teachers. We would develop some data teams, and this could be used with any data team that meets to discuss anything. This could be the basics that we use to get discussion started. It can be adapted to any groups. It's pretty basic. So we can use that to really anything that we talk about. And then how my teachers will react. I feel like they would react really well to something like this. Sometimes you hear grumblings with teachers when they have to, form another team and have meetings and just more time. My teachers, I think, would really welcome this. And, we were in the middle of trying to, starting to use data a little bit more, but, this could definitely jumpstart us into the right direction. And that's really what this visual, this protocol that I made, that's really what my intended outcome would be, to just jumpstart us onto the right track as a district and get teachers thinking with data in mind. So, this is my Mod 17. Thank you.